Required things are color paper, glue, thread, scissor and a ruler. First fold your paper into half and then quarter half from both sides. And then cut all the pieces equally. So here you need 6 pieces of papers. Now fold exactly in the way as I am showing in the video. So in the same way we will fold all the 6 pieces. Now put one piece inside other. So in this way we will make 3 pairs. Now join them with the help of thread, but make sure that you are knotting it tightly, because if thread get loosened we will not able to give this a flower shape. Now carefully peel off the petal one by one. Now take a green paper, roll it out for stem. Now apply glue over here. Make sure that your glue is very strong or else it will come out. And this is the final look. Thank you. Bye bye.